It is easy as it looks, but building affiliate sites is the most troublesome work to do. Visitors demand captivating contents in your site. Thus, posting oppressing content will not draw people to visit your site. Yes, you need to create a right content, be it text, images, or videos. People are looking for an impact. Your content has to be engaging for them to take action, like high-quality videos that popular sites are posting. So, does it mean we need to hire professionals to create one for us? Today, what I'm about to show you will give you the answer. Introducing WP One-Click Video Site Builder. This is the perfect software that helps you create your video affiliate site in less than 60 seconds. You don't need to create captivating videos for yourself, neither hiring professionals to do it for you. This software will help you post other people's popular content on your site legally and ethically. Amazing, right? Want to know more? Let's go check this review. Features: automatically curates the best videos content from YouTube. Works with any WordPress theme you have. Create mobile-friendly site. Post unlimited videos in unlimited categories. Automatically make money with affiliate offers and banners. Download WP One-Click Video Site Builder. How does it work? This is newbie-friendly. You don't need technical skills to use this. Just follow the easy steps on this video. Good points. User-friendly. Prevents you from doing manual work. Amazing bonuses are included. Responsive technical support. Bad points. Need stable internet connection. Need to contact support if you have questions. Conclusion: there you have it. This is so much easier now with this powerful software. Create your dream affiliate sites in less than 60 seconds. Get your copy of WP One-Click Video Site Builder here.